Surgical versus non-surgical liposuction. Do they give the same results? Well, let's start with a very basic concept. Surgical liposuction is by what it's called. Lipo, which is fat, and suction is sucking that fat out. Non-surgical liposuction. Is there such a thing? Not really. Come, let's dive deep into this topic as to what is non-surgical liposuction, what is surgical liposuction, and why they are not the same. Hi, I'm Dr. Saumil Shah. I'm a plastic surgeon, director of plastic surgery at Skin Zone Aesthetics in Borivali, West Mumbai. So, what is liposuction? Before talking about the surgical and non-surgical part, let's talk about that. Liposuction is basically what the word is. Lipo, which means fat, suction is to suck that fat out. In liposuction, basically we make a very tiny cut. It's not like a big surgery, and which is the fat that we are getting rid of. This is the fat which is right under your skin, which you can pinch. You can think of it as there being jelly in a bowl, you put in a straw and you suck it out. That is what basic liposuction is. Of course, we use a few technologies like ultrasound assisted liposuction, which is commonly known as VASER. We use technologies like power assisted liposuction. We use the brand called MicroAir. So these are like advanced methods of liposuction that we use, but they are all liposuction and this is all surgical. So what is non-surgical liposuction? A lot of the aesthetic clinics have started sort of using this word for marketing because people understand what liposuction is. It is to get rid of the fat. However, in non-surgical liposuction, it has a variety of treatments. So there is something called as ultrasound-based liposuction. There is something called as cryo lipolysis. You have to understand this is not actually liposuction. It is lysis. It is ultrasound-based lysis or RF-based lysis or freezing-based lysis. What does lysis mean? In medical terminology, lysis means breaking the fat. So, in non-surgical liposuction, what is done is actually not liposuction, but breaking this fat through different energies that are given across the skin. Then, we rely on your own body's metabolism to take this fat away. However, if you're someone whose metabolism is slow, if you're someone who's normal and who usually require liposuction, for them, these techniques do not work. Another thing, these techniques basically just lyse the fat. They can't contour your body. What we do in liposuction today is not just remove fat randomly. We want to give you shape. We want to create edges. We want to create a contour and a flow to your body that looks very natural. Again, there are side effects to these non-surgical liposuction, whereas a surgical liposuction, when done in expert hands, has very little complications. Be very sure that you understand the technology that is going to be used for you. Be very sure whether you understand what is actually non-surgical lipolysis versus surgical liposuction and whether you are a good candidate for it. It's not the problem of the machine, but the way it's marketed. And this is something that you as a consumer should know.